Hi everyone. On the occasion of World IVF Day, we have been almost achieving all advancements in IVF practice. It's almost about 5 decades since 1978 when IVF came into picture, and since then there are countless couples who are benefited by this. There are so many IVF babies in this world who have been doing exceptionally well, and they have been normal also. And also there are so many IVF centers now which is easily available for couples to approach and get baby through IVF. In this IVF era, there was one time when IVF practice was difficult because we did not have so many resources, we did not have the injectables, and we did not even have the kind of lab facilities we have today. But now there is improvement in the drugs which we give, the facilities which we give. Even the small cities of the country, the tier 2 and the tier 3 cities have IVF clinics today. So it is reaching the unreached, and we have IVF practice and infertility practice progressing and giving results to our couples. On this occasion of World IVF Day, I am happy to tell that we have been in this practice for the past 13 years, and we have given more than 1,000 IVF babies. Our results have been constantly 40 to 50%, and our results are that good. That's because we have been backed up by a very good IVF clinic. In our center, we have now the 3D Rubina set, which can help us to do more advanced IVF, and our unit is very well equipped with fertility enhancing endoscopic surgeries. In our center, we also have facilities like PGD and PGS. We have facilities for laser hatching, and now we have been getting very good results with stem cell therapy, which we are doing the subendometrial stem cell therapy, and we are coming out with a publication on that. So all these recent advances is possible because of the growing science, and we are able to get to each couple who are having this need for IVF and also IVF related treatment for this couple. Apart from this, now the new aspect of IVF is egg freezing. We are doing it in our center. Egg freezing has given excellent results to many of them in the past. You know that even celebrities have started freezing their eggs. It is an opportunity for the woman to freeze her fertility or freeze her eggs, and then at a future date encash it. So it gives her some hope that she can freeze her eggs now and at a later date have her baby, her own baby. This is, I think, going to come in a big way because the future is women want to come up in their career, they want to do well in their career, because the biological clock and the career clock clashes in women. But gone are those days when woman was just a homemaker. Now it is the era for women to stand up and say we are also capable and we are also doing exceptionally well in our profession. So dear friends, please make use of these facilities available. If you have any queries, please come to us. We are always there to help you out in your path to parenthood.